first job, they had a robot in a cell, and all it did was weld. It literally welded a tank that nobody else wanted to weld. Like, they got rid of the people that they was using to weld for a robot because the robot didn't take breaks. It didn't have to go. They looked at it like it was cost efficient. I mean,
Yeah.
it is. It doesn't take breaks. It doesn't have to go to the bathroom. It doesn't need food. All it has to do is be supplied, supplied the material. It could literally get the part, be scanned, be set up, welded. It would flip it, turn it, and all. So, I mean, I know people want to work, but at the same time, they don't want to work. That's what a lot of companies are looking to. Like, they're looking at a way to get rid of people that don't want to work. Oh, you don't want to work? I could put a conveyor in or a robot that picks up this box and put it here. I mean, that's what a lot of people looking at. But at the same time, you got to have people to build the robots.
Yes, you do. I think build the robots and then maintain them and understand. So the nice part about basic mechanical lines is fairly simple. There's not a lot of layers into that. But when you get into electrical lines and robotics, you got to find someone who can troubleshoot a PLC, who knows how to play with a photo eye sensor, who understands the weight on these robots. And why is the robot welding wrong? Now you have an upskill set that you have to use. So really curious to see or hear what your plan is for getting into that. It doesn't feel like something you stumble into.
No, it's something I want to do, but I want to get into like an entry level, so I can learn, and it's not so fast paced. But at the same time, it might get fast paced, so I have to learn on the fly. But I've been waiting, trying to figure out where the industry is gonna go, because I still don't know. I mean, I hear a lot of companies talk about it. I read up on a lot of companies talking about going to automation. But it's still going to be hard to do because that's a lot of money they got to put into their sales. And nowadays, most companies don't want to do that. They look at it like, how can I make more money with my equipment being half decent instead of it being 100%?
Yeah, I think one of the things that I hear and read in the industries is even if they did want to update, even if they did want to fully automate, they don't have the technicians at that level to maintain it. So people go, hey, I'll install the line, but how? Like, I don't have anybody who can install it. I don't have anybody who can program it, anybody who can maintain it. So it's this double-edged sword of we want it, but we can't maintain it. And we're producing on what we have, so we might as well stay where we are. It's a balance.